Hi friends, this is Akhil Reddy from Akhil Reddy Technologies from Hyderabad. I have 10 plus years of experience in the area of software testing, in which 8 plus years of experience using automated tools like QTP and Selenium. Today I will teach you Selenium framework. Before going to Selenium framework, first of all we should know what is framework, what are the uses of framework. First of all, we will learn what is framework. Framework is nothing but it is a generic work. Framework is nothing but it is a generic work. Framework is nothing but it is a generic work developed by an expert, used by many people. Or we can say framework is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Using these programs, we can do our work easy. Or framework is nothing but it is a software which makes our work easy. So we can say many definitions, and framework is nothing but a test engineer, a test automation framework is a set of concepts and practices that provide support for automated software testing. It is a methodology built to successfully carry out test automation. If we do not have any frameworks, then it is difficult to get proper reports, handle checkpoints, or exception handling. Now, either you may choose from any of the frameworks available like JUnit and TestNG, or you can design our own framework also. JUnit is a unit testing framework or the Java programming language. TestNG is specially designed to cover all types of testing categories like unit test and functional testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. TestNG is a preferred framework of QA analysts as it allows you to generate test reports in both HTML and HTML formats also. TestNG enable you to group test cases easily, which is not possible in JUnit. JUnit and TestNG are both very popular and test framework in Java. Both frameworks look very similar in functionality. Which one is better? Which unit test framework should I use in Java project? Here I did a feature comparison between JUnit and TestNG. I will show you now. Yes, I will show you what are the main differences between JUnit and TestNG. Observe carefully. Feature. Here, test annotation. If it is JUnit, we will use @test annotation. If it is TestNG, same we are using @test annotation. If you want to run before all tests in this should have run, if it is JUnit, we will use before class. If it is TestNG, we will use before class only. Same to same. Right. Run after all tests in this should have run. Here, if it is JUnit, we will use before class. If it is TestNG, we will use after class. Right. Run before each test method. If it is JUnit, we will use before. If it is TestNG, we will use before method. Next, run after each test method. If it is JUnit, we will use after. If it is TestNG, we will use after method. Means that is the annotation. If you want to ignore anything in JUnit, we will use ignore. If it is TestNG, we will use enabled equal to false. Results. If it is JUnit results not clear. If it is TestNG, results very clear. Okay, run. If it is JUnit, we can't run priority base. If it is TestNG, we can run priority base. We can choose. Okay, just like select case. Next, if it is JUnit, before before class and after class function should be static. If it is TestNG, no need. If you want static, you can take it. If you want non-static, you can take it. There is no restrictions like that. All right. Status. It is a old framework. JUnit is a old framework. TestNG is a new framework. Installation. If it is JUnit, no need to install. If it is TestNG, we need to install. These are the main differences between JUnit and TestNG. So, what are the uses of framework we will discuss now? What are the uses of framework we will discuss now? Just wait. Just wait. All right. All right. For example, what are the uses of framework we will discuss now? Framework. Okay. What are the main differences between JUnit and TestNG? We discussed. Now we will discuss about JUnit. JUnit is a old one, old framework. None of the people not using JUnit right now. Okay. All the people nowadays they are encouraging only Selenium TestNG framework only. TestNG framework only.